Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this tutorial is for beginner, that is create 3D text effect in Canva. In Canva, choose the size that you want. I will choose Instagram post portrait, and then I will go to apps, and then I will type here text. I will choose text maker and click here. You can use it in Canva free also, and then choose the template here. I will choose this one, greeny. For example, I will change the text to nice, and I will keep the font like this guy, and then I will add letter spacing. Okay, and then I will add a jiggle, enable jiggle. All right, I will make it this one. You can also change the angle and the amplitude. All right, I will just make it like this, and then back. You can also customize colors. You can change the color of the outline. And change the depth color. And you can also change the fill color. For example, I will change the white to this pink. Okay. And then I will change this one, the second color, to this light pink. Back, and then click add to design. Add to design again. And now you have it. So this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.